Good morning, everyone. Let's get started. Just to let you know, I've put the name of the presenter and his contact information under the chat button, so if you click your chat button, and Sean, you should click yours too so you can get any questions. This is Sean Shockey for the VP of Sales for the Espoma Company. Go ahead, Sean.
All right, thank you. I appreciate everybody's time today to talk to you in regards to what's new for Espoma and the customers and dealers out there in the marketplace. So I'll go ahead and get right to it. So many of you know in 2019 the Espoma Company will be celebrating our 90th anniversary. We're pretty proud of that, providing organic products in the marketplace. Not only providing products, but trying to be sustainable the whole way through our organization. Some of you may or may not know we are 100% solar powered. We have a zero waste manufacturing, so we use all that solar power to manufacture the products that you guys sell and use. One of the things that was new for 2019 within our products is we went to a bio-preferred packaging to make our products more sustainable for recycling. And the other thing that we've done is we've expanded our office space, and we made that a completely green office, and we have a living wall in there as well. So one of the things that we like to tout is that not only do we provide the products, but we also walk the walk. So one of the things on the next slide is who are your main contacts out there in the field. So a lot of you know these individuals already because we have a senior territory sales staff, but I wanted to make sure that you knew that, and everybody is there color-coded by that. And this information is also located on our website, espomadealer.com, under resources, so you can find that there as well. So some new items for 2019. Many of you have already seen these. Might have missed it, but there could be some opportunities. So within our liquid line that we launched a few years ago, we've made some expansions in that. I'll start with those two. We came out with a tomato 18-ounce product. Both of these liquids are the easy dose caps, so no measure, no mess. You just flip it over. It fills up the container to the size watering can, depending on the number of times you do it. Then in the 8-ounce offering, we came out with a citrus. Citrus is becoming the big potted container throughout the country, so opportunities for when the product comes indoors to use the liquid 8-ounce product because of no odor associated with it. Then the other item that was new for this year was a berry tone, designed specifically and called out for berries. This is to help the consumers and dealers educate people on the acid-loving plant food. Many of you know, this is this holly tone in a new dress. Consumers will walk into a retail store and, want to fertilize their berries, fruits, strawberries, everything like that. And even though it's listed on the side panels of holly tone, it's not resonating with them that they can use that. So we created this product to take out that confusion there as well. The other thing that was new this past year for 2019 is in our non-selective weed killer under our Espoma Organic label there, ready to spray, an alternative to consumers who are looking for an all-natural non-selective weed killer. And then we brought back under the Espoma Organic label again is our iron phosphate active snail and slug killer. So those two products round out the pesticide category we have. I want to talk about some opportunities, some spring savers that we're going to have with you guys in regards to our potting soil line. May through June, we're going to run 6 sizes of our potting soil. So in the all-purpose mix, it's going to be the 16-quart, 1 cubic foot, and 2 cubic foot. And then in the moisture control, it's our 8-quart, 1 cubic foot, and 2 cubic foot. So those will be some spring savers opportunities for you guys. Talk about our marketing efforts. We at Espoma Company have a broad range of marketing support we do. We still do traditional print, radio, but we've also entered into the avenues of the social media, creating Facebook content, and improved our website to make it digitally acceptable on cell phones and iPads and things like that. So you will notice that we have a new updated website. So at the top of the page, we're really calling out the fact that the products are organic, and we've created opportunities for people to learn about our green initiative, understand who we are and what we've done over the last 90 years, and then select the products that we have available to sell or buy. So website facts. So, why does this matter? Over 1.5 million page views per year. So people are coming and looking for the opportunity to learn about products, see what's available out there. We've also created over 300 blog posts, and that blog post content is available for dealers to use, repurpose. It's encouraged to do that. And we've also made it easier to find content, so we've simplified the filtering for each selection on what the content is. And then where to buy. So we list only brick-and-mortar stores on our website on where to buy the product. The consumer can go in, type in a zip code, and it'll list the dealers that we have in our database. Talk about our social media platform. Some of the areas of where we're at. We're heavily involved in Facebook. We have over 240,000 fans, and it's growing. We encourage our dealers out there to connect with us, share content. We share often dealers' content as well. And we also provide 10 posts per week on an average, about opportunities of what's trending in the marketplace across the country. We've also entered into Pinterest. We're doing 3.1 pins, 42 boards. Content has been seen over every day, about 2.9 thousand. So quite a bit of content. Pinterest makes it very easy to share content across all avenues. And on our Instagram, our fan base is growing there. Also, post weekly. And once again, we encourage our dealers to connect with us and share content that they may have as well to help everybody in this social media platform. And then we also push out 2 times per week in season. We do some emails. We've got an open rate of about 19% there and a 5% click-through rate. And the emails are a lot of content that's available. We encourage dealers to take that content, repurpose it, and push it out to their customers as a way to drive them into their stores to sell Espoma products. Videos. One of the things, more and more consumers are attracted to the short little videos. One thing that we have done is we have paired up with a couple called Garden Answers, and we've created 70 Garden Answer videos that are on the Espoma Company's YouTube channel. Our Garden Answer Media metrics, they have 2.4 million Facebook fans, so that pushes content out quite a bit to consumers on our line. We have 400,000 YouTube subscribers. There's all kinds of videos there. These videos can be repurposed as well, and we're seeing a lot of views from everybody across the country on this. If you haven't checked any of her videos out, she's project-oriented, tells the consumers exactly what to use and how to do it to create a beautiful gardening experience. One other person that we've hooked up with in this level of videos is Homestead Brooklyn, and she has 184,000 YouTube videos and Garden Answer videos on the Espoma Company site. So once again here, she does a lot with houseplant focus. Houseplants have been a big trend lately. Very millennial audience there. So, another avenue, another customer base that we're reaching out to, and how-to videos as well here for projects. Traditional media, I mentioned that before. We still do the radio and print. We still do this nationally and on a regional basis. You can see, the Fine Gardening is our one national, and we do a lot of regional or plant-specific. We do 12 personalities across the country, and then 4 of them are with a wide range of reaching spectrum. So still connecting with consumers in that fashion as well. Talked about our website. We've EspomaDealer.com here. When we updated it, we've created a lot of opportunities for the dealers to grab material, to request materials, or anything they need to help support our line in their stores. One of the things being a POP form. Many of you know that my sales team travels with their POP, but there might be some opportunities that you missed something or whatever. We do provide that opportunity to go online and order it there. There's a downloadable form and then an email address on where to submit it. The other thing that we've done is, we have obviously the POP that I mentioned, but we also have made it downloadable. So if you want to use this in any other signage or anything that you may collectively, decide to do in your stores, that's available as well. So it's the imagery, it's the content, the bullet points on how we'd like to see the product be sold. So it's available for you to download there as well. Also, under the Resource tab, we provide images, SDS sheets, and SKU information, anything that you may need to create an ad or, have the information on file in your POS systems or anything like that. So it's a resource that's downloadable for you to make it easier to sell our products. And then ad templates, we do have ad templates available on, our products. Once again, there it highlights the bullet points on how the 3 key bullets that we would like to see promoted, provides the image and a template for you to use to help with creatives. We also have created some ad templates that are what is called tile size. Any of you dealers that deal with Facebook or email campaigns know that you need to have a smaller rendering or version of these. These are available to download as well to use if you would prefer to use them on a Facebook ad or anything like that. We also have online training. We've done this for a while, so there's 4 or 5 short little videos, less than 3 to 4 minutes to watch, and then there's a true-false multiple choice test. One employee from the store does this, the store becomes certified. I mentioned earlier on our dealer locator, consumer comes in and types in a zip code on where to buy a Espoma. The addresses will come up that are in our database. If you are a certified dealer, there is the certified dealer logo, which is down at the right there, indicates that you guys have taken our training and that you are a certified dealer. So if you haven't done that, if you've done it, I encourage you to have your sales associates retake it. It can be available 24/7. They don't have to be in store to do it. They can do it at home. It just educates them on how to sell the products and understanding the difference between our products and others that are in the marketplace. And that is a quick synopsis of what is new for 2019.
Okay, great. Well, I think you explained it well, and if anyone has any questions later, they can always contact Sean or go onto the Espoma website. And this has been recorded. We'll put it out there for you all to listen to later.